Acumatica Cloud ERP includes an embedded customer relationship management or CRM application to grow sales with marketing automation, lead and opportunity management, customer support, and a self-service customer portal. Acumatica CRM is a holistic solution for building marketing lists, managing sales campaigns, routing leads for approvals, converting leads to contacts and opportunities, and converting opportunities to customers, vendors, or both. Expedite marketing and sales efforts with mobile devices, data imports from Excel, HubSpot, and Salesforce connectivity, and the Microsoft Outlook add-in. Streamline sales and support activities with role-based dashboards and embedded standard reports. Create long-term loyalty through superior case management services. Maximize operational efficiency with approval assignment maps to dynamically route leads, contacts, business accounts, opportunities, and support cases to the appropriate team members for follow-up activities. Use classes to associate records with similar characteristics to bolster efficiency by assigning default settings to leads, contacts, opportunities, campaigns, business accounts, and support cases. Enhance efficiency with Acumatica's Outlook add-in. Add new leads, contacts, opportunities, information requests directly from Outlook. No need to switch back and forth between Outlook and Acumatica, taking up valuable time. Alternatively, search Acumatica for an existing contact record. When located, create a new opportunity, support case, project-related issue, information request, or more. Use marketing lists to create targeted marketing communications and campaigns, so you can generate leads and opportunities from people who have already expressed interest in your products and services. Maximize sales opportunities, stimulate demand, and boost brand recognition with targeted campaigns. Discover which individuals opened your emails with Acumatica's SendGrid integration. Manage campaign performance by correlating campaign revenues with campaign expenses. Create leads, contacts, and accounts manually or automate record creation when leads are converted from marketing campaigns. You can also import records from HubSpot, Salesforce, or Excel files. Ensure data accuracy and eliminate duplicates with Acumatica's built-in data validation function. Improve sales efficiency by qualifying leads before sending them to sales. Create and maintain a permanent history of activities related to each lead, such as email exchanges, phone calls, tasks, events, and more. Use BANT or some other criteria to qualify leads for the sales team. Qualified leads may be converted to contacts. You can also convert qualified leads to a business account record linked to an opportunity. Associated records are linked to the originating lead. Create quotes from opportunities linked to a business account. Quotes can later be converted to a customer order. When creating the order, the information in the business account is used as the basis to create the customer record. Empower your sales reps with real-time access to Acumatica from anywhere through the mobile app. Bolster efficiency by adding commonly used options as favorites to your mobile homepage. With the mobile app, you can quickly create and access leads, contacts, and appointments. Convert leads to business accounts and opportunities. Convert opportunities to quotes. Convert quotes to customer orders. Access customer cases. Submit new cases. Receive email and SMS push notifications, and much more. Empower B2B buyers with self-service access to your product catalog with customer-specific pricing. Customers can browse item categories, view item images and videos defined inside Acumatica, check stock availability, and add items to their cart. Capture credit card payments or enable on-account orders. Provide a world-class support experience with self-service case management from the customer portal. The intuitive case management system enables customers to create new support cases or review and update existing ones, improving collaboration and speeding up issue resolution for happier customers. Customers can view and print statements and invoices, pay bills, and manage other account details safely and securely. Create lasting customer loyalty with Acumatica Case Management. Establish service-level contracts that outline initial and target response times for urgent, high, medium, and low-severity cases. For example, a 1-hour response time may be required for urgent cases, 4 hours for high-severity cases, and so on. Acumatica allows customers to bill for support services by the case or for activities performed. Depending on the billing method, invoices are generated when the case is closed or when the billing period has ended. Acumatica Case Management is also commonly used for internal employee support. For example, track and manage employee requests for IT and other services, such as system access, equipment maintenance, and more. Case workflows support varied transition statuses to track the lifecycle of a case, from its creation to its resolution, and give users instant visibility into the current disposition of a case. Gain instant visibility into all your customer activities across opportunities, quotes, cases, and contacts. Activity icons allow you to quickly focus on key details to bolster customer engagement. Gain actionable insights into marketing, sales, and customer service KPIs with drill downs into supporting details, such as lead conversion ratios, actual to targeted revenue, case closure rates, and more. Acumatica's embedded CRM provides organizations the tools they need to grow and cultivate leads, convert leads to sales, maximize profitability, and foster long-term loyalty with outstanding case management. Contact us today for a personalized demonstration.